bro. We got a good one, dog. 3 young dudes in a Hellcat with a Glock switch.
February 3rd, 2023.
Sound real
in
good,
Davie, Florida, a Broward Sheriff's Office detective spotted a Dodge Charger Hellcat tearing down the road at dangerously high speeds, recklessly weaving through traffic.
If you got switches, why are you even
After a
driving
short pursuit,
reckless, bro?
The detective caught up to the vehicle and swiftly ordered all occupants out at gunpoint. Behind the wheel was the main suspect, later identified as Todd Pierce.
Todd. Hey, that Hellcat hard though. I ain't gonna lie. Wide body.
What are you charging him?
What's that?
What are you charging him?
He just hit this car and tried to flee. Yeah.
I don't think I ever seen zip tie handcuffs.
Sit down. Sit down right here. Cross your feet.
That's
Hold
low
on,
key
son,
probably
you got,
better.
like 3 in custody.
3?
Yeah.
What the what was that noise?
Actually, stand up. Come with me.
Y'all heard that? Somebody got RPG?
Yeah.
We just ignoring gunshots now? What the
Actually,
freak was
stand up. Come with
that?
me. Over here. Sit down. Right here. Get up. Come on, what am I doing? Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh yeah, he dangerous. He got a V-neck on. He got a V-neck on.
This is a f***ing joke, bro. Stop reaching, dude. I end up getting taken, man. What am I being arrested for? Bro, why am I being detained?
Cause you're a criminal.
Shut the f*** up, bro. Sit down.
He told him just shut up. What a third Y in that? Oh yep, there he go. There he
Sit down
go.
right there. Sit down right there.
What is that, brother? What is that?
It's 582. I'm on a 1050 at State Road 84 in University.
Man, if I'm an officer, I'm hopping in that Hellcat and I'm leaving.
1094. Not code 3, but as fast as possible. Stop reaching.
I need to call my lawyer. I need to call my lawyer.
Am I asking you a question?
No, I'm finna tell you talk to my lawyer, my nigga.
I'm not. I won't talk to you at all.
Ooh. My what, brother? Brother, hold on now.
Hey,
You look a little Caucasian.
it's gonna be a gray Charger Alpha Papa 02 Delta Sierra. What? Yeah, you're also speeding. That's not how that works. You understand that, right? Shut up. Shut up.
Hey, this officer got some personality, bro.
What? No way. Not with all the attitude I'm getting from you guys.
Bro, this officer's rage baiting, bro. Bro, he is definitely rage baiting, bro. He said giving me the lippin'.
Quiet.
2016.
What? What's that? No, he ran his mouth. He opened up his mouth. It's okay. I don't have to talk to you guys anymore. I don't need to ask you questions. You don't need a lawyer right now.
Man, what a switch
Call
at,
your
man.
lawyer
What a switch at.
Put your hoodie down. I can't see your face.
Dang.
What? What?
What he said? You threatening the officer, boy?
I have anger issues.
All you had to do is ask me politely. I would have took the shit.
Hey, listen, you're under arrest. You understand that? You don't get to make the rules here.
Why am I under arrest?
Because I said so.
For what?
You'll find out at the jail at first appearance. That's when you're legally supposed to be told what your charges are. At first appearance at the jail. I don't have to tell you. Okay? Sarge, I ran out of handcuffs. Do you have a pair? Put your hands behind your back. Now it's just these guys. They tried to flee and they backed into a car that also left.
Hit and run is a felony, I think.
No, I'm by myself. I was just on my way in. So let me fix my car, and then.
But they are just passengers, though.
Although not captured on body camera, a more thorough search of the vehicle revealed an illegally modified Glock handgun located between the driver's seat and the center console. The
Got that
firearm was
switch.
equipped with a device commonly known as a switch,
Mm-hmm.
which converts a semi-automatic pistol into fully automatic,
Mm-hmm.
a modification that is illegal under federal law.
Yep. Where that switchy at? Where that switchy at? You're going to jail. You're going to jail.
I'm just gonna toss the car.
You gonna toss the car?
I'm rolling. I'm hot. It doesn't matter.
Keeping that car.
on this side, buddy?
Yeah, I'm pretty good.
Oh yeah, they scamming, they trapping, they doing something.
Here's ammo.
You make a felon or
Nah, they're jits, bro. There might be a gun somewhere.
They're jits. This Florida.
Probably never been arrested.
keyword though, you said it. Yes.
Dang, they searching all through the wood. They don't even be having a common courtesy to put your crap back like how it's supposed to be. They
There's
just
drugs in the
be
car, so.
Buddy, you ready to hit this backpack?
Yeah. Let me get the trunk. Hey, pull that thing down for me. What's that phone? Let me get the trunk.
I want a Hellcat. Not for real though, low key.
Hey, take it. There. Yeah, I got it. Alright. That's called way at the end, alright? Alright. Okay, walk.
Almost tripping.
Alright. At your own step, bro. Alright, so look there, we just. Then you say, want to touch real quick? Alright. Anything on you in the shop that would stab me, anything like that? Any drugs?
Yeah. He got the toes out too. Ooh. God dang. Knocked all
brother, have a
freaking mic. Why they honking?
Alright. Is it cold for you? Is it hot? Want to turn on the AC for you?
Oh, no, it's good.
Good? Alright.
Todd Pierce was charged with possession weapon, short-barreled gun rifle or machine gun, carrying concealed firearm, reckless driving first offense, and sunscreen sign covering windshield.
Sunscreen sign covering windshield. What the freak? What the
Thanks
freak
for
is
watching
that?
Body Cam Breakdown.
I'm finna look it up. Oh, can't see them analytics, boy. Sunscreen sign windshield. What the freak is that charge? I ain't mean to put that U in there. What, the sun strips? Is that illegal? I just need to know for my own safety, you know what I'm saying? Sunscreening devices on windshield can be illegal. What is a sunscreen device? Oh, I guess a tinted front window, I believe. Okay. Okay. That makes sense, bro. Alright, y'all, I'm out, bro. 3 YNs got caught with a switch. Yup. I'm out.